What is this naughty bear doing?
You like it when he beats the snot out of Grover?
You gonna go help?
You gonna go help Grover, or do you want to beat up Grover too? Yeah. Snotty ass bear. I think Grover must had it. He can't even fight back.
What are you doing?